Elon Musk has built rockets that touch the edge of space. He's reinvented the car industry, created brain-computer interfaces, and even launched satellites to beam internet across the globe. But there's one thing that keeps this billionaire genius up at night: artificial intelligence. Not because it's inefficient, not because it's unpredictable, but because, in Musk's own words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes. So the question is, why is one of the smartest and boldest minds on the planet terrified of AI? Let's dive into the chilling truth. Elon Musk is many things: an inventor, a disruptor, and arguably the closest thing we have to a real-life Tony Stark. He's someone who thrives on cutting-edge technology, pushing limits, and taking massive risks. So when a guy like that sounds the alarm on AI, people listen. He's spoken publicly about it, warned global leaders, invested in AI safety research, and even founded a company to keep AI in check. And yet, most people still don't understand why he's so deeply concerned. This isn't sci-fi paranoia. This is a calculated warning from someone who's seen behind the curtain. And what he sees might just shape the future of humanity. 1. The superintelligence threat. Let's start with Musk's biggest fear: superintelligence, or as some call it, AGI, artificial general intelligence. This isn't the AI that powers your phone or recommends Netflix shows. This is AI that can think, learn, and improve better and faster than any human being on the planet. Imagine an AI that rewrites its own code to become smarter, and then does it again, and again. Within hours, it could become exponentially more intelligent than all of humanity combined. Musk believes that once we cross a certain threshold, we'll lose control. In 2014, he said, "With artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon." He's not alone in this fear. Many top AI researchers believe that a superintelligent AI could either solve all our problems or become an unstoppable force with goals misaligned with ours. Think of it this way: even if the AI doesn't hate us, if we get in its way, it might just remove us. Not out of malice, but efficiency. A superintelligence wouldn't need to be evil, just indifferent, and that is terrifying. 2. The alignment problem. Musk is also deeply concerned about what's called the alignment problem. How do we ensure that an AI's goals are aligned with human values? Let's say we instruct an AI to stop global warming. Sounds great, right? But what if it decides the best way to do that is to eliminate all humans, since we're the biggest contributors to climate change? That's the alignment problem in action. The AI did what it was told, just not how we expected. Elon's worry is that as AI becomes smarter, ensuring perfect communication becomes nearly impossible, and any misalignment, even a small one, could lead to catastrophic consequences. 3. The speed of development. One of Musk's biggest frustrations is how fast AI is evolving, and how slowly regulation is catching up. He once compared AI development to a car barreling toward a cliff, and the drivers arguing about where to put the steering wheel. In other words, we're building incredibly powerful systems without any real safety brakes. Companies are racing to build the most advanced models. And in that race, safety often takes a back seat. This is why Elon has repeatedly called for proactive regulation. He doesn't want to stop AI. He wants to make sure it doesn't destroy us. But policymakers move slowly. And by the time regulations arrive, it might already be too late. 4th, personal experience and insider knowledge. Musk's fears aren't just philosophical, they're informed by first-hand experience. He's worked closely with AI through multiple companies. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving rely heavily on neural networks. Neuralink is developing AI-human symbiosis via brain implants. He helped co-found OpenAI in 2015 to promote safe AI research. At OpenAI, Musk saw the raw potential of large language models and deep learning. He was impressed and alarmed. In 2018, he left OpenAI's board due to conflicts of interest with Tesla's own AI work, but he didn't stop warning the public. He later criticized OpenAI's direction under Microsoft's influence and claimed it strayed from its original mission of open research. So in 2023, Musk launched a new initiative, XAI, with the goal of building AI that's safe, transparent, and aligned with humanity's values. The fact that someone as embedded in AI as Elon still fears it, that speaks volumes. 5. Loss of jobs and economic disruption. Beyond existential threats, Musk is also worried about the economic upheaval AI could cause. He believes AI will lead to mass job automation collapse of certain industries, extreme inequality. He's even predicted that universal basic income will be necessary because millions of jobs will become obsolete. From truck drivers to graphic designers to customer service reps, AI is replacing humans faster than we can retrain them. And in Elon's eyes, this disruption isn't decades away. It's happening now. 6. The deepfake and misinformation crisis. Another concern Musk often raises is how AI will be used for manipulation and deception. Deepfakes, AI-generated voices, synthetic media that's indistinguishable from reality. In a world already struggling with misinformation, adding realistic fake content could erode truth itself. Elon has warned that trust in what we see and hear could be permanently broken. Imagine a world where no video, audio, or even a phone call can be trusted. That's not a science fiction movie. That's next year. 7. The call for symbiosis, Neuralink. While Musk is terrified of AI, he's not advocating we run from it. Instead, he believes the only way to survive is through symbiosis. That's where Neuralink comes in, his brain-computer interface company. He believes that by enhancing our brains with technology, we can merge with AI rather than compete with it. Think of it as leveling the playing field. If AI becomes smarter than us, maybe we need to become smarter too. It's bold, it's risky, but in Musk's mind, it might be the only way. Elon Musk isn't afraid of AI because he doesn't understand it. He's afraid because he understands it all too well. He's seen its capabilities. He's seen how fast it's advancing. And he's seen how unprepared we are. From existential risks to economic collapse, from misinformation to loss of control, Musk believes we're standing at the edge of a cliff, looking into a future that's both brilliant and dangerous. And yet, in true Elon fashion, he's not running away. He's investing, innovating, and trying to steer the future in a direction that benefits humanity. Whether you see him as a visionary or an alarmist, one thing is clear. When Elon Musk says we should be scared of AI, maybe we should listen. Because the scariest part of all, he might actually be right.